All right, guys, let's pause here in the action of kind of the teardown. We can all see the major structures here now underneath. When you look at your high pressure fuel pumps, they're right here and right here. So as you can see, there's absolutely no way to be able to get to those without taking all the rest of this out because they're so buried underneath. All right, guys, so we've got the original right here and we've got the new Dorch lift kit right here.